Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we got the port at the bottom. So right here, you guys won't probably see this, but we got it at the bottom. And after you clean it up, I recommend using the soft brush for it. This is very efficient. And of course, the air compressor does the same job, but it's totally up to you what you use here. Make sure that you do not use anything sharp, as you can damage the port and not fix it. So what are we gonna do next is we're gonna test our mic. So there's a couple of ways of doing it. As you guys can see here, we got the recorder app. Somebody uses this app, or somebody just records a video with a camera. Totally up to you. I will use the recorder app. Of course, allow recorder to record audio. Now let's click while using the app and allow it to send us notifications. Allow to everything here. This is the system app. As you guys can see, now it is recording, and of course I'm going to save it. And let's go over and so let me quickly increase the volume so you guys can hear it. And system app, as you guys can see now, so it definitely works. But if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is go over and restart the tablet. So we do that to refresh the system. All we have to do is press the power button, press and hold. As you guys can see, we should see Gemini popping up. We do not mind it. We just tap here on the reboot, and now the tablet is restarting. So I'll wait a couple of seconds until the logo appears, and then I'll see you guys after the tablet is fully restarted. Now after the restart, let's quickly enter the password. And now let's unlock our tablet. What are we going to do as a last resort is we're going to update our software to fix any mic glitches. So we're going to go over into the settings. And after going into the settings, we're going to go and scroll down right here all the way until we see About Tablet. It's literally at the bottom. We're going to go over and click on System Update. And it is automatically checking for updates. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. So I do have the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important if you guys are not on the latest version, so you can get rid of any old glitches running around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.